So today we learn a new word from English vocabulary, that is lackluster. Lackluster. Okay. So as far as its part of its speech is concerned, it is adjective. Lackluster is an adjective, and as far as its meaning is concerned, it is if you speak of your eye and you have a blurred vision or a very dull vision, you can say lackluster eyesight or lackluster vision. So its meaning is dull, not bright, or not impressive. Anything that seems obscure, that is called lackluster. In uh, common usage, you can use it with nouns like lackluster performance, okay, like lackluster appearance or career, lackluster response, etc. You can use this with the nouns like anything that seems dull or look dull or not bright, not impressive is called lackluster. Okay. If I use that in sentences, I will use it like he gave a lackluster performance in a game. Okay. Another sentence, if we form the government response was lackluster. So, lackluster as an adjective we have used in the first sentence with the performance, noun performance, and in the second sentence we have used lackluster adjective with a noun response. Okay. Now, how to memorize it? Memorizing tip. Okay. Memorizing tip is very easy for lackluster. Lackluster is formed by the combination of or conjoining of two words like lack plus luster. Lack means you all know, lack is equal to the deficient or lacking something. Okay, and luster means shine or brightness. So anything, what outcome we can detect or determine from the combination of these two? Anything that lacks the brightness or shine is called lackluster. So this is the memorizing tip. In addition to that, I would say in British English, its spelling is lackluster, and in American English, its spelling would change slightly by Lackluster. Okay, in British English, the difference is in the end tre, or in American English, it would be ter. Okay, and as you know that we form the adverb from adjectives, like bold is adjective and its uh, adverb we form by adding ly, like eager is adjective, and what we do, we add ly to eager, and it becomes adverb. In usual practice, we form adverbs from adjectives, but in this case of lackluster, the case is different because lackluster cannot be used as lacklusterly as an adverb. It is wrong. So, how we use that in the form of adverb? We can use it like in a lackluster manner, or dully, or we can say excitingly, excitingly, or unimpressively. Okay, so this is all about the word lackluster we have discussed today, and I hope that you might have enjoyed while we were dissecting the lackluster, its meaning, its part of speech, its usage in common English, and we have formed the sentences. I have also discussed the memorizing tip of lackluster, word lackluster, and then British and American spelling difference we have discussed, and at last we have discussed that it's how it is used as an adverb. So this is all about the word lackluster, and we will come again with another new word from the vocabulary of English. Thank you very much.